Good morning guys, I'm going to make a video today about why I'm going to be making videos. I turned 38 last Sunday and I decided I wanted to do a list of 40 things that I will do before I turn 40. I have 2 years obviously to complete that, and it's something that I want to do, and this channel is going to help me document that.
Hey buddy. Fake high five, Corona high five.
As we walk down the river walk, good morning, it is fresh. Very cold. Okay, that is stunning. The light hitting the tree. I wish I had my camera right now. I mean, my photography camera, not my GoPro. That's beautiful, look at it. It's like, oh, I'm getting a Natalie's. There's fog coming off the water. So pretty. Here we go. Tackling the stairs. Let's do that. Well, I'm not going the stairs. I'm going the side of the stairs. I find it a little bit easier.
And then they get too long.
Hence why I go up the side. I can't do those stairs unless I'm going slow. Distance.
Oh, it's like you're doing lunges.
Oh, look at that. Okay, keep going. So sorry guys, the beginning part of this video is going to be pretty bumpy because the stabilization wasn't on. And I have it strapped to my chest so that I don't have to hold it, because last week my arms got sore. So this is what we're doing, the river walk. We've just done that, which you would have seen footage of. I think we've actually been to probably both those spots. So, it's a bit bright, but this is where we started. We are currently here. So roughly halfway. We're actually gonna add a little bit more on it because the trail's not quite 10 kilometers and we wanna do 10 kilometers. So we're actually at 1 mile ovals at the moment, so we're trying to do the 10Ks, and the 10Ks will be off my list for doing the trail. It'll help me prepare for a 10-kilometer run as well, which is also on my list. So I started telling you guys about the 40 things I want to do before I'm 40, and I have a list at the moment. I have 24 things on it. One of those things is 40 mountains or 40 treks before then. So I've done Mother Mountain last weekend. I have done Pomona, but I'm going to redo it because I didn't video it. And this 10-kilometer walk is another one, so that will knock that off the list. That'll be in, I've done 2 things since I started, which was 2 weeks ago. Whew. Recording is going to be very bumpy when you're running. We're gonna start running. We're going across. And we're running. And we're off. We should be running back the other way. The arrows tell us so. We're real rebels. So we did our 10 kilometers and I'm just going back down because I thought the GoPro had gone flat, but I hadn't put the battery in properly. So I'm going back down just to show you the end. I took some footage on my phone, but it's just not the same. So I'm heading back down to show you the beautiful river that is here in Gympie. We did the 10Ks in, I don't know, hour and a half or so. I know the girls will send me the details. Here we go. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. Yeah. So, my 40 before 40, I've just ticked another one off my list. Well, the 40 mountains or treks. So, the 40 mountains and treks is one of my 40 before 40 items. So I've got another one which is 40 books. That one's, these girls are going. So I've got 2 items on my 40 before 40 list that are 40 items. So I've ticked off another one, so it's exciting. I might actually get more than 40, who knows? I need your guys' help. Give me some ideas. I need the rest of the list to compile, and I want some things to be a little bit challenging with the world situation at the moment. I have a couple of things on my list, like I really want to go to Florence and really want to go to Austria, which we had actually booked for September this year, but with everything that's going on in the world, that might not be a possibility. So travel things I have kept limited to Australia and New Zealand, because we are actually going to New Zealand in November. That was supposed to be a trip at Easter, and because of everything we had to postpone. Comment below what you think I should add to my list. Give us a thumbs up, share our channel if you can, subscribe to the channel because we really want to get this up to 100 likers, 100 subscribers. So yeah, give us a thumbs up, and I'll keep making videos just to document this. I think it's going to be something in 10-20 years time I'm going to look back on and probably laugh a fair bit at what we tried to accomplish, but we will do it. Have a great day, guys.
Hi guys, my name is Joey and this is Ellie. Say hi, Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Hi, hi Ellie. She said hi to herself. Hello, hello. Oh, you get a bed. Hello, I really am happy to see you guys.